When you first log into the Adrenaline Rush Training online personal training platform, you'll be taken to the training manual. From there, you can click on Adrenaline Strong, which is going to give you a basic overview of different movements and the basic concepts of progressive overload. There also is a nutrition section here, so you can read through that, so you can understand what flexible dieting is, basic breakdown of macros, and the fundamentals of basically calories in, calories out, how to lose weight, how to gain weight, and how to work on body composition. Getting into the program itself, if you click on nutrition here, if you're on the nutrition program, it'll take you to the total body transformation page. And here it starts off with body composition goals, where you can set what your current goals are. You can update or change your goals. And then we've got our daily calorie goal and our daily macro goals here. And you can log the food that you eat daily. So let's say for breakfast, I'm going to have, let's say 4 eggs. You can see when I click here, it's going to log item, and then you can see it's counting my calories and my macros here. So I'm at 1680 left for the day out of 1800. You can see if I log another item, so let's say for lunch, let's say I had ground bison and maybe some rice. So I'll log that, and you can see it's steadily counting up my calories and macros and telling me how many I have left for the day. So that'll be very useful for you if you don't have a structured plan, but you're still trying to hit certain calorie and macro goals. Or you can make a meal plan. So we've got a weekly meal plan builder here. And with that, basically you've got your calorie goal on the right. You've got your protein, fat, and carb goal. And then you can build up to 6 meals. And I've already made a video going over all of this, so I won't do that here today. I just want to go over the changes that we've made to the website. But you can go to your current meal and see what your current meal plan is here. After you make your meal, or after we make the meal for you, the meal plan for you, it'll be stored right here. And you can see, so for this particular meal plan, which is just a mock meal plan for myself, it's 1900 calories, 230 grams of protein. We've got 61 grams of fat and 133 grams of carbohydrates. Meal 1, I've got 4 eggs, turkey bacon, and whole grain rice. Meal 2, meal 3, meal 4, all the way up to meal 6. Okay, moving on from there, we'll go to the online PT side. And here is where you're going to update all of your workouts. You're going to do all of the inputs, right? So the first thing you'll see is the daily checklist and scorecards here. So from there, what you'll do, if you work out for today, you'll hit the daily workout, right? You can see it adds it up. So now I'm on 21 out of 31 days this month. Every time you do your protein shake, my protein shake goal is 3 for the day. So every time you do your protein shake, you would hit the button and it would count that you've done that many protein shakes. For your weigh-ins, just click on weigh-in. It'll pull up your chart and you can put your weigh-in here. It starts at what your most recent weight was, and it goes by 0.05. So if I'm going down, I'm at 191 now. So let's say I weigh in today and it's 190.85. I'd submit that. I can look back at it if I wanted to, and you can see it's moving along here. Okay. And you can see it also counted my weigh-in right there. The training log. I'll click here. All of the different strength training exercises are going to be here. You can select your weight and your reps, and you can do your RIR. Remember, that's reps in reserve. That'll be useful for you, and you can even put a note there if you want to do that. And you can go through 6 different sets for 6 different exercises. Okay, when you're done, just hit save workout. You can see your strength training history here. So it'll just show you if you're not sure what weight you should be lifting today based off of the number of reps. If you've got a backlog of data here, you can search back through here and find out how much weight you were lifting the last time. So that'll help us track progress. When we're doing 1 rep maxes, that'll be right here as well. We're going to do bench press, back squat, deadlift, and overhead press. And so you record what your weight was. Obviously, it's only 1 rep here, and you can put a note there if you want to do that. And then your 1 rep max totals will be right here. For the Metcons, let's say today was a Metcon and it wasn't a strength training workout, you would just select what Metcon it was from the drop-down list. And you can see the workouts are changing right here depending on the selection that I make. And then you would put here, did you RX or did you scale it? Meaning, did you do it as it was written or did you modify it? So you can see we've got the workout and then we've got the weights that we want you to use for the workouts. Select your time, so how many minutes, how many seconds it took you to complete, and then submit that. And then here we'll have all of your Metcon stats as we build that up, okay? And then after you submit, whether you submit Metcon or whether you submit a 1 rep max or whether you submit a strength training workout, it will count that as a workout here on the training log as well, and it should count it as a daily workout over here as well also. Today's workout is basically going to be an overview of the workout of the day, so you'll be able to see all of that. All right, the monthly challenge leaderboards here. Like, let's say we did the extra mile challenge, which I didn't go over that. So let's say the extra mile challenge, you do your workout, the workout that we have in the gym, and then anything, the extra mile challenge is like not just running an extra mile. It's, are you doing the extra mile? Are you going the extra mile? Meaning, are you doing more than what we're normally doing in the program? How bad do you want it? If you want it, you need to be running the extra mile. You need to be doing the extra mile. In this case, you could run, you could row, you can ski, you can hop on the assault bike, or you could do burpees right after the workout. And there will be, you'll have your stats for that. We'll have, so you can see October cardio stats here. That'll change every month. You could also do a benchmark. So benchmark number 1 for the Adrenaline Max benchmarks is 25 calories on the bike, 20 ball over shoulder. You could go to the next one and you can see it changes. 10 calories on the bike, 10 RAM burpees. Just going down the list here. There's a ton of different, so this is a 1 mile sprint, 75 calories on the bike, and a 160 meter row, right? So some of them are a lot longer lasting. Some of them are very short, very quick, right? So you could just do these in addition to your workout and then hit submit, put your time here, minutes and seconds, and then submit when you're done. And then down here, this will be your stats of the different benchmarks that you've done. So as you're logging your training log, as you're logging your extra miles, and as you're checking off the daily checklist and scorecards here, we're building accountability and we're building a leaderboard system here amongst our community. So for the accountability challenge, this is something that's going to really help me make sure that you're getting results by making sure that you're doing the work, right? So notice this here, this table is in line with all of the scorecards up top here. So not only will I be able to see this, but you'll be able to see this as well. And you'll be able to see where you rank among your peers, right? And on my end, I'll be able to see, are you doing it or not? When was the last time you did it? How often do you do it? And so that'll help me hold you accountable to actually doing the work and getting and reaching the goals that you want. So total workouts, extra mile challenge, logged workout, daily protein goal, and daily weigh-in. And that is for the accountability challenge. For the extra mile challenge, we've got a running leaderboard. Look at Kimberly killing it. We've got a rower leaderboard. We've got a ski erg leaderboard, a salt bike leaderboard, a burpee leaderboard. And then we've got the benchmarks. We've got a leaderboard for that as well. So as we get more and more participation, we'll see the numbers here increase. We'll see the community start to participate more, and it'll be a little bit more engaging for the workouts. We also have a pounds move challenge. So how much weight are you moving every workout and every month? So far total, just based off of the workouts that I've logged here, I've lifted 31,000 pounds so far this month, and that's going to be listed day by day here. So today on the bench press, yesterday, or excuse me, was that yesterday, the 17th? 3 days ago. The 6th, the 4th. So a lot of this was just me building it and testing it to make sure that it works. And you can see my daily totals are highlighted in yellow for each day. And then at the top here, I've got my overall total for the month of October. Okay. So I want you to start using all of these, the daily checklist and scorecards. I want you to log your workouts, track your stats here, whether it's a strength training workout or whether it's a 1 rep max or whether it's a Metcon. I want you to track those. And when you're doing the extra mile, depending on what you do, I want you to track that here as well. Whether you're doing cardio, whether you're doing a benchmark, whatever it is. And I want you to weigh in daily. All right. Also make sure you're getting your protein goal for the day. So either 2 or 3 protein shakes every single day. All right, that's about it for now. I hope this makes sense to you. If there's any extra questions, or if you have any questions at all, just leave a comment here or reach out to me. Peace.